The next loop that we're going to review is do while loop. So let's see an example with calculating n factorial. What I have is variable let n, which is from type number and its value is 4. Then I have factorial variable from type number with value 1. And what I'm saying, do this code block while this condition is true, and to the end I print something. Now, what's the difference between while and do while loop? Well, with do while loop, actually this will be executed at least once. Why? Well, if we have while false, then this thing actually will be never executed because it will be always false. First, we'll check the condition and we'll execute this code here only if condition is true. In our case, it's false, so it will never execute it. But with do while, it's a different story. With do while, actually, first we're executing some code and then we're checking the condition. So no matter what your condition is, this code block will be executed at least once. So let's assume that we have while false. When we have only while, then it will be never executed. But what's happening here? Well, I'll get until that point and I'll say, okay, do this code. And after I do it, then I'll go inside my condition and check it. And then I'll see, all right, it's false. So I'm not going to repeat it and I continue straightforward with the code. And that's the difference, that do while will be executed one or more times and while loop will be executed 0 or more times. Here how we're calculating the factorial. First, what is factorial? If I have 5 factorial, which is the same as saying 5 Bismarck, then 5 is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 1 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have 1 factorial, this is executed, this is equal actually to 1. 3 factorial is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 by 3, etc, etc. So here I have number and I have factorial which is equal to 1. What I'm doing? Well, I'm saying that factorial is equal to multiply equal to n. This is again factorial, almost this identical, saying that factorial is equal to factorial multiplied by n. Just you don't repeat this part and you have it like that. So I'm saying that factorial multiplied by equal n, and with this, with each iteration I decrease n with 1 and then I print the result.